Struggling to close a Wise jar? Your money is stuck until you do. Here is exactly how to close it in 3 clicks. I know that feeling. You set up a jar to save for something specific, and now you are looking at your funds just sitting there with no obvious way to pull them out. It is frustrating, and honestly, it should be simpler than this. But I have been through this process myself, and once you know where to look, it takes about 10 seconds. So let me walk you through it. First, you are going to locate the jar on your Wise dashboard. Then you will find the hidden menu inside of it. And finally, you will confirm that you want to close it. Let us go step by step. All right, so start by opening up Wise and logging into your account. You will be looking at your home screen where you can see all of your balances and jars. Now, here is the important part. Do not just click anywhere. You need to click directly on the jar that has your money in it. Not the label next to it, not the balance number above it. Click right on the jar itself. And here is a common pitfall I see people run into. A lot of folks will look at the big buttons on the home screen, like the send or convert options, and think that is how you manage the jar. But that is not going to help you here. You have to actually open the jar by clicking on it. It sounds obvious, but when you're frustrated, it is easy to overlook. So just tap or click on the jar image itself. Once you do that, the jar will open up and you will see the details. You might see how much you have saved, maybe a progress bar, and a little history of deposits. This is the inside view. Now, look around the screen. You are going to see a few different icons and buttons, but the one you want is in the top right corner. It looks like 3 little dots stacked vertically, or sometimes it is 3 dots in a horizontal line. Either way, it is the standard menu icon. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot menu. Nothing scary is going to happen. You are just opening up the options for what you can do with this jar. And believe me, the option you need is in there. So click that, and a small drop-down menu will appear. Now this is the money step. From that drop-down menu, you are going to see a few different choices. There might be options like Edit Jar, or View Transactions, or maybe even rename it. But what you are looking for is the one that says Close Jar. It might be near the bottom of the list. Just click on that. Wise is going to ask you to confirm. They want to make sure you are not doing this by accident. You will probably see a pop-up that says something like, "Are you sure you want to close this jar?" And it might warn you that any remaining money will be moved back to your main Wise balance. That is exactly what you want. So go ahead and hit that confirm button. And that is it. Your jar is closed. The money that was in there will return to your main balance instantly, or at least within a few seconds. You can see it right there on your dashboard. No more money stuck in a savings jar that you do not need anymore. You are free to send it, spend it, or withdraw it however you like. I have tested this process multiple times, and it works exactly like this every single time. No hidden steps, no waiting around for days. Just 3 clicks, and you are done. So next time you finish a savings goal or just need that cash available again, you will know exactly what to do. Thanks for sticking with me.